Hi children, good morning. After many days, we are back with our social class. Did you enjoy the holidays, children? I hope you enjoyed it. Other day, we learned about safety rules. We were discussing about be safe and be happy. So, today, let us continue the lesson. Other day, we learned about being safe at home, safety rules on the road, and safety rules in the school. And also, we learned about safety rules in the playground or in the park. Today, let us learn about road signs, emergency numbers, and about first aid kit. Have you seen these road signs, children? So these are the road symbols or road signs. First one is pedestrian crossing, and second symbol is, see here, no parking, and third one is no entry, and the fourth one is horn prohibited, and here the fifth one is school ahead. Once again we repeat, children. Pedestrian crossing, have you seen the sign and symbol? And this no parking, have you seen? In the sign P crossed. So this is symbol is for no parking, no entry, horn prohibited, and school ahead. So we see all these signs on the road. When we are traveling by road, we notice all these various signs or traffic signs. They are posted along the side of the roads to inform the road rules for us. We should understand and follow these signs for our safety. Now, let us read about the emergency. An emergency is an unexpected situation that demands immediate action. A break out of fire, an earthquake or flood, a robbery, a sudden illness or injury are examples of some emergencies. In emergency time, we call an ambulance. Our country has an emergency helpline. That number is 112. There are also separate emergency numbers. It's called the fire bridge, the police, and the ambulance. Especially we hear the ambulance horn or ambulance going through on the roads. We should remember that whenever we hear the ambulance horn, we should understand that emergency somewhere it had taken place. Children, these all are first aid kit. The first one is gauze bandage, antiseptic cream, cotton wool, antiseptic lotion, and scissors. What is the meaning of first aid, children? After an accident it happens, the first help that an injured person receives is called first aid. For example, if one of your friends get hurt, you need to give first aid before a doctor can see her or him. In the case of a minor burn, what we have to do? Put the burnt area under cool water about 5 minutes, or pat it gently, apply an ointment meant for burns. In the case of minor cut or wound, what we have to do? We have to wash the wound with water, pat it dry, then apply an antiseptic lotion, cover the wound with a clean bandage. Today, let us also learn about good touch and bad touch. What is the meaning of good touch, children? A touch that makes you feel nice, comfortable, and safe is called a good touch. Once more, I'll tell you what is the meaning of good touch. A touch that makes you feel nice, comfortable, and safe is called a good touch. For example, I'll tell you, children, when we are upset or when we get scoldings from others or your friends, so we'll go and tell our parents. So what our parents do? Our parents tell us in positive way or give an a hug. So that time we feel better and we forget all the hurts and all the scoldings from our heart. So this is called a good touch. What is the meaning of bad touch, children? Whenever we feel uncomfortable, afraid or unsafe, it is called as bad touch. We experience it in some situations. Okay, children, today we learned many things about bad touch or good touch or emergency rules, and we learned about road signs or road symbols, and we learned today about safety rules on the road, at home, or safety rules in the school, in the playground, or in the park. Okay, children, with this lesson we understand that we should not touch electrical things or sharp things. We should be safe and happy. We also learned about road signs or road symbols, emergency cases or first aid kit also. Okay, children, always remember to good things in the house or at home or in the school or in the playground or whenever we go to our relation's house. Be safe and be happy. Don't touch electrical things and sharp things. Okay, children, this much is for today. I conclude this lesson, children. Read at home and you will get more information. Thank you. Have a nice day.